morning everyone, hope you're all okay and had a nice weekend. Right, I'm coming on just to show you these bits that I've been doing this past couple of nights. This has been my nighttime project. I've got some sheet music and Mr. Doodle bought me some of these for Christmas, so I thought it's time I had a little play. So I've been playing with those. There's 6 of them, they're lovely. Oh dear, they're just so pretty. So all I've done is just scribbled all over the page, look. So I wanted something that I can just do while I'm watching YouTube videos, so I just scribbled all over the page with all the different colours, and then got my black marker and just did lines for like border shapes, and then did some more doodles on them. And what I've done is, with some watered down white glue, I just lightly went over it so that it like smudged it all, because they're water soluble crayons, and it's just smudged them all and like blended them, and I just think they're so pretty. And then just doodled on them, just basic doodles, didn't do anything exciting. But I love them. And then I've gone over them with, just a minute, oh, excuse the wobbliness, oh that's going to fall on the floor, just a minute, some of my gold flakes, well, not proper gold. And some of them I use just normal glue stick. I love this glue stick, much better than the leading brand glue stick. So like this one would have been glue stick where I put bigger bits on, and then let's have a look, like this one, that one I used this stuff that some of you will have seen it before. I picked it up from Hobbycraft. It was really cheap, and it's not what I thought it was. It is for doing this sort of thing. I thought it was like an outline paste, but it's like a glue. So I just went on with some of that and stuck that on, and I think they're really pretty. I've not done any borders for a while, so well, I started off, hadn't intended doing those, but I got this sheet music and I thought, oh, I'll have a play with some sheet music. I know, I'll make some roses, just sit and roll some roses up. Well, it's quite brittle paper and they didn't go very well. I only did 2, which I'll show you, but they're a bit pants because my paper was just breaking. But you know what I'm like, and I don't like to throw anything out, so I just stuck a bit of gold on. They'll probably get used on something, but I wasn't very pleased with those. So with the rest of that sheet of paper, oops, I just ripped it and weaved it and then just stuck some gold on it. I've no idea what I'm going to do with that, but that's what I did with that. The other thing I've been doing is, oh god, I've got no room. Oh, where am I going to put that? Just bear with me a minute. Sorry. These, right. I really should have set my camera up. These that I showed you last week, it doesn't look as though they've gone down much, and they haven't much, but I have been doing some more. Just all my, sorry for anybody that's doesn't know what they are. It's when I've used my my dies to cut flowers and that out. It's the bits that's left. It's just been laying in my drawer for years. So I showed you some last week, but I've been doing some more. I've just been sticking it all down, and I've got all tiny little scraps in this as well that was left over from when I did my feathers. So I've used all those up. I slapped those down, slapped loads of glue down. This, when you see me use this jar, it's either Mod Podge with water or just a white glue. It's just PVA at the moment, and I just thin it down with water. So I just slap a load of that on and stick it down and stick them down, and I just love doing this. Oh, they're so pretty. These two are like, this was underneath, so I've left some bits of that. That one's a painty paper, I think, yeah. And then these next two, it's pretty, aren't they? Oh, I think they are. If you don't like lots of colours, then you won't like them, but I like lots of colours. Oh, and those stars, I found 3 random stars that were white, so I had to paint those, but they've gone on that one. Can't see where the other one is. There's 3 on it somewhere anyway. I must have hidden it again. Yeah, these are, I've had some more drawers delivered, and they're what come in the top of the drawer, in the top drawer. So I've just rubbed it down a bit because it's real slick. Rubbed it down and just used that to put those bits on. Right. Just a minute. Remember when I was doing these papers last week and I pulled some bits out of this box? I picked some out that were folded over and I said, oh, scrap monster, looks like a scrap monster. Well, I've turned one into one. I've only done this one. Is he not fab? I think he's wicked. He's got no nose. He's got a great big smiley mouth. Nice big black shiny teeth. I'm sure there's loads of people that can't stand the sight of silly scrap monsters. I love silly scrap monsters, personally. Yeah, so I'm sure I will be doing more of those. But he had to have googly eyes. Yes, so that is my little show and tell for Monday morning. Now I'm going to go and get some stuff sorted out because I've got some more drawers delivered. I had some delivered on what day? Thursday. And I like them that much that I've ordered 2 more sets and they're coming today. So it's going to be a busy week. I don't know whether I'll get any more videos done or not. Hopefully I will, but anyway, you all have a nice week and hope you stay safe. This UK is getting some really rubbish weather at the moment. It's not quite as windy today, but oh, yesterday was dreadful. Some of our fence panels are hanging on by a thread. One of our neighbours, bless him, he'd been and because Mr. Doodle was at work yesterday and I could see the fence flapping about, but one of our neighbours had been and propped some wood up on his side to stop it blowing into his garden. So we've got that to repair at some point, but at least Mr. Doodle got home safe. I hate it when it's bad weather. I do worry about him, bless him. He said that excuse me, because it was raining so bad, and he said that he's never seen rain like it. I mean, at one point it was like horizontal rain. But anyway, today's another day and hopefully it'll get better. But right, thanks very much for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.